invisible ink. How to do? Oh yes, you are correct. Children love invisible ink, but you can see it and not see. Now let's start. You need the spoon for mix. You need a baking soda, then glass of water, then the bowl, then the earbud, and then the toothpick, and then the blank paper to write your message. Then you take a bowl. Then you need a baking soda for that. Let's open it. Now let's take it and put there. Where here, but not full. You need only 1 cup. Then you need the spoon. You need to remove your spoon out so it will be good. Then you need the water for it. Let's take it. Come here, naughty water. Then you take it, put it inside. It's not going. Then you need to knot it. Then you remove it. Then you mix it. Now let's finish to write your message. Like it? You like it? Let's test it. You need an earbud and the toothpick. First, you take the earbud is good. Then you can write your message. We are writing the message now. Now let's see how you will see it. So,
show them your message.
Look, you can't know, no?
Yes, it's not visible.
Now I am writing the message on the paper. Secret. You need black papers. Now let's take it. Let's do a letter A. So it will be good. I am doing Aditi now. But you can't see it. Let's do it. Actually, you need it. A returns for it. And so, it's done. Your secret message is done. Now, look, can you see anything? No, it's very visible. Don't like this. Let it dry this two ones. You need one of your parents because you need to want the gas. You need one of your parents, mommy or daddy. Then, kids and babies. Kids, don't touch it. Don't try to touch the gas when it's on. And the babies, don't touch the gas when it's hot. And you will burst your hand.
Burn
your hands. Only parents. Our message is ready. My mommy put the pan on the gas. Look, the vapor is going, but it's visible vapors. But now you can see when you upset Look, my mommy will do it. Come,
Okay,
Mommy.
okay.
It's not slow.
Let it hot first,
Let
okay?
it hot first.
First we will do with the small one, okay? Now, see.
If you can see, you'll see somebody. It's like you. Looking the girl. One girl is that.
It's
It's
visible. Yay! You
It
can
does.
see the message.
Now look this message.
Now let's see what's written on here. Oh, it should be like this maybe?
No, let's get and see. You paint a punchy hole. Look, can you see something? Look, my name is written there. Aditi. A-D-I-T-I. It's too hard, don't give to me. Oh, now look, this secret message. It's what? Maybe it will be like share. It's like
Wow!
like, subscribe to Children's Parents. You will have a happy nice day.
It's not hot. You can take it in your...
Oh, look. And Aditi, subscribe to Aditi channels. And so look, now I prepare the same. It was like this. But then I prepare for you. I love you. You can take at your home and you can prepare like this. Anytime it's what you like. You can send my video to your friends. And I need very much subscribe. Bye. See you tomorrow.